Hello my lovely people, it's your Ebo girl, the Otutayo, where they bring on ogbonge news all across the world, especially Nigeria. Oya na gbes mona gather your man yarn na the tori as e dey hot. So guys, Ijaw National Congress, they don come out again, come do wetin, talk their own. They say they no wan do wetin, join Nigeria again. People wey no know Ijaw na Yinagwa Bayelsa side, south na dem do wetin, don come out now say dem no fit do wetin dey for this one Nigeria again. Dem wan do wetin, go on their own. So the Ijaw leaders led by the president wey dem dey call Professor Benjamin Okagba na im come do wetin, make this thing known to people for the meeting wey dem hold with the representatives of the British High Commission led by Mr. John Keke for the Ijaw House in Yinagwa Bayelsa State. So dem come do wetin, bring their book come read several pages give the British, say make dem do wetin, delegate una. Dem come still let dem know say the British people dey deceive the Ijaw people, make dem go do wetin, join one Nigeria. But as e stand now, the welfare of the Ijaw people, dem no dey do wetin, take care of am. So as e stand now, their people dem no do wetin, dey okay with the one Nigeria again. Dem don suffer enough for this country. Dem don carry the burden of this country enough. Say as e stand now, dem scatter for different states. Dem make dem be minority and slaves in the country Nigeria. Now dem no fit be slave for where their resources na im dey sustain the whole country. Is not acceptable at all. Dem no dey committed to the Nigeria project again. But as dem wan live like Ijaw Republic, dem no go do wetin, live with fight. Dem wan live peacefully. So this message now, dem dey send am to the British High Commission and to the British government, make dem come do wetin, undo wetin dem don do before. The one Nigeria, make dem come do wetin, separate am. So im come talk say since dem dey cry, dem no know the in ten tion of the British government. Na when dem don rip off of their God-given oil and gas, na that time the government go come do wetin, say dem wan lis ten to them when dem don leave them to their fate. So as e stand now, dem no want that kind thing. Now dem need to do wetin, wake up. If not, dem no know wetin tomorrow go talk. So now dem say British na dem do wetin, brought them together for this one Nigeria. So make dem come play their role, make dem come remove them from this one Nigeria. Say the British do wetin, deceive them to join one Nigeria. As e stand now, they abandon them. So make dem come do wetin, do the needful. And guys, if una remember, so Akwa Ibom group don do wetin, still come and say the country no treat them well. They treat them bad. They take them as slaves. So they wan still do wetin, comot for the country. They still want their own republic. So now Ijaw don come outside say they want their own republic. Akwa Ibom don come and say they want their own republic. Yoruba don come and say they want their own republic. Igbos don come and say they want their own republic. And the British government, they no reason all those things. Say why everybody dey come outside say they want their own republic? Wetin dey wrong for that country? Make dem do wetin, resolve am. Because as e stand now, nobody do wetin, like wetin dey happen for the country. The way things dey go, nobody like am again. So everybody dey find how they want to do wetin, run comot for one Nigeria. So now dem dey write letter, dey do video, dey go meet the British government, make dem do wetin, come answer them. So guys, make we go straight to our second news for today. How the south governors, dem don still do wetin, gather take do meeting on Monday, wey be on the 6th of July 2021. So the governors of the state in the south region, dem don decide say from now on, any security agency wey dey give order from above, e need to do wetin, inform them first before e carry that order out. Because na dem be the chief security officer for the state. So they need to know wetin dey go on. So any operation wey you wan carry out for their domain, you need to do wetin, come tell them. Why the certain governors decide this thing? Because of wetin happen recently the arrest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, and the attack when e happen for the Yoruba freedom fighter Chief Sunday Igboho house. Because as e stand now, all these things when e happen, e come be like say the governors dem no concern anything. So dem come talk say if at all any security institution need to carry out any arrest or need to undertake an operation in the state, e must come do wetin? Inform the chief security officer for that state, so that that arrest go fit align with the law and fundamental human rights. No be the one wey dem go back go do arrest. Say because if you look at now, DSS go Sunday Igboho house without say the governor wey e dey that state no concern, and during that process dem kill 2 people. So all wetin dey happen for the whole state, their governor sef dem be ogbori, dem no know anything. Na their back dem take dey do everything based on the way dem do wetin look there to be. Na the way dem place their self. So guys, concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu arrest, the UK parliament dem don set today wey be on the 7th of July 2021 say dem wan do wetin? Discuss concerning the issue. Because as e stand now, na illegal abduction, torture and repatriation of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya to Nigeria. So dem wan debate on am today, make dem see the decision when the British government go take. So for the reason dem take do wetin? Repatriate am from Kenya to Nigeria, dem wan do wetin? Find out why e be so. So na Lord Atom go do wetin? Raise the issue, and e wan still do wetin? Query the government for the separative Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wetin dem don do concern the arrest. So e still mention a lot of things when dem wan do wetin? Look into the role when the Kenya government play for detention of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and the circumstance wey e surround the transfer of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to Nigeria against im wish, and which assistance dem don provide give Mazi Nnamdi Kanu by the British High Commission wey dey for Abuja. So today na dem wan do wetin? Hear the query and everything, make dem finalize wetin be their decision, wetin be the move wey dem don take. So my people, now say ma do wetin? Come let una know. Stay safe and expect more ogbonge update news.